Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove password protection from Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify account right here. We're currently logged in. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here on online store at the left side. And then from here, you can see the password right here. As you can see, it says your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. So you would need a plan for this one. If you're just on free trial, you wouldn't be able to remove the password on your online store. So you would need to click here, pick a plan right here. So as you can see, it is all just $1 right here. So I suggest that you go into the description of this video, and then you would be able to see a link there so that you would be able to avail the plans right here for only $1 per month for the first month right here. And as you can see, you can just choose any plan that you'd like. You can even just go for advanced, and it's still $1 per month right here, and you can just click and select advanced when you use the link in the description below. So I suggest that you do that. And yeah, those are basically the options that you have. This is the only one, which is to pick a plan right here, because there is no way that you can remove your password that is associated into your store unless you pick a plan. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.